Sharma, who remember has been in the news. All right, we're going to have to switch focus. Kiran Rijiju speaking right now in the Rajya Sabha.
Then we can understand. We can reply outside. But since this statement has come from a person who is holding a constitutional position, and in a very clear term, he has stated that Congress party will provide reservation to Muslim community, and for that they will change the Constitution of India.
Reservation for
It is extremely serious. It is a matter which we cannot tolerate, and this is assault on the Constitution of India, the Constitution provided by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. And these people, they are talking about Constitution, they are carrying the photograph of Baba Sahib Ambedkar, but their people officially makes a statement to change the Constitution of India. I want the Congress president who is sitting here in the House to make very specifically clear about the Congress party's position. How and in what manner you want to change the Constitution of India to provide reservation to Muslim community? I want clear-cut reply and position from the Congress party president, who is leader of the House.
Honorable Minister, reservation in what?
Sir, my request is the Congress party president, who is the leader of the House, leader of the opposition in the Rajya Sabha, should make the position clear and tell the August House as well as to the people of India why Congress party want to change the Constitution of India to provide reservation to Muslim community.
माननीय सभापति जी,
Sir, what is the issue? We can raise it according to rules. The House is governed by rules.
माननीय सभापति जी, बहुत दुख के साथ कहना पड़ रहा है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी, आप बैठ जाओ, उन्होंने बिल पास कर दिया, वही ना हाँ
बिल पास किया वाला वो है तेलंगाना
नहीं कर्नाटक। माननीय सभापति जी, बहुत दुख के साथ कहना पड़ता है कि जिस तरीके से कांग्रेस पार्टी बहुत संविधान की रक्षक बनती है, वो संविधान के बारे में जिस तरीके से उन्होंने उसकी धज्जियां उड़ाने का प्रयास किया है। संविधान में डॉक्टर बाबा साहब अंबेडकर ने स्पष्ट लिखा है और कहा है कि रिजर्वेशन धर्म के आधार पर नहीं होगा। रिजर्वेशन विल नॉट बी डन ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ रिलीजन। दिस इज एन एक्सेप्टेड प्रिंसिपल ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ऑफ इंडिया। लेकिन साउथ में कांग्रेस की सरकार में रिजर्वेशन कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में 4% का रिजर्वेशन का पारित किया जाता है। कॉन्ट्रैक्ट में I'll authenticate.
Yes.
Sir,
The statement of the
Karnataka में
leader of the House,
Yes.
the statement to which reference has been made by the Honorable Parliamentary Affairs Minister that a constitutional functionary holding position in the political party
Yes.
has made a statement that there will be reservation in contract for Muslim community.
Yes.
That statement be authenticated
Yes, I'll authenticate,
and
sir.
put on the table of the House.
The Karnataka
During the course
government,
of the day.
I'll do that, sir. The Karnataka government has passed a bill granting 4% of reservation to minorities and in public contracts. In public contracts. ये और इसके साथ साथ जो वहाँ के डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर हैं, जिसके बारे में रिजू जी ने रेफरेंस दी है, डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर ने स्टेटमेंट दिया है हाउस में कि जरूरत पड़ेगी तो हम संविधान को भी बदलेंगे। दिस इज अ वेरी सीरियस मैटर। और ये लोग बड़े संविधान के रक्षक बनते हैं और ये लोग संविधान की रक्षा करने की बात सारे देश को बताते हैं, ढोल पीटते हैं, वो संविधान की धज्जियां उड़ाते हैं। ये इसके लिए हम रोज करते हैं।
But what do you want? What do you want?
I want that such laws and rules should be withdrawn and discussion should take place, and Congress party president and the leader of the opposition should answer this question.
Leader of the opposition.
धन्यवाद सर, आपने मुझे समय दिया और उसका उत्तर देने का। मैं यही कहूंगा, कौन सा वो आदमी इनको कहा देश का संविधान बदलने वाले हैं? देश का संविधान जो डॉक्टर बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर ने बनाया वो कोई बदल नहीं सकता, रिजर्वेशन भी कोई खत्म नहीं कर सकता। और उसकी रक्षा के लिए हम कन्याकुमारी से कश्मीर तक हमने पूरा भारत जोड़ो यात्रा की। ये भारत तोड़ो करने वाले ये सब रिजर्वेशन के धज्जे उड़ाने वाले लोग और इनको कोई अधिकार नहीं है, उसको पता नहीं है। कोई मेरे पार्टी का भी ऑनरेबल चेयरमैन सर, मैं रिकॉर्ड पे कहना चाहता हूँ, उन्हीं के कांग्रेस पार्टी के सिटिंग डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर और उनके स्टेट के कांग्रेस प्रेसिडेंट ऑफिशियली कहा है, और आपके कहने पर मैं इसको ऑथेंटिकेट भी कर सकता हूँ। और ये मुस्लिम लीग का पॉलिसी 28 अगस्त 1947 में मुस्लिम लीग ने जब रिजर्वेशन पॉलिसी को संविधान सभा में लेके आए थे, तब सरदार पटेल ने रिजेक्ट किया था। आज कांग्रेस फिर मुस्लिम रिजर्वेशन का बात उठा करके बाबा साहब का संविधान का इज्जत को इन्होंने मिट्टी में मिलाने का काम कर रहे हैं। अब खंडन करना चाहते हैं। आप हिम्मत है तो डिप्टी चीफ मिनिस्टर का इस्तीफा आज ही मांगिए। हमने ये कहा कि भारत देश का संविधान को बचाने वाले हम लोग हैं और इस संविधान को हमने बनाया, हम नीति रक्षा करेंगे, ये लोग नहीं।
All right, as you can see, the House has been adjourned. But what is the controversy we're watching on our screens and where has it stemmed? On the right side, what you're looking at is a comment made by DK Shivkumar. The BJP has been slamming the Congress party over these remarks. What were these remarks? The remarks at the center of this controversy. DK Shivkumar suggesting that the constitution will change in order to legally facilitate the implementation of 4% reservation for Muslims in government contracts. This was actually something that was cleared by the Karnataka Assembly on Friday. Now, speaking about that bill, at the News 18 India Diamond States Summit 2025, that's what you're looking at on the right side of your screens, Shivkumar had said, and this is his exact quote, he'd said, there's a big debate going on regarding this issue. Many BJP leaders have claimed that Muslims are repairing bike punctures. It is our responsibility to uplift every section of society, allowing them to come forward and be part of development. We've initiated something and we know that everyone will approach the court. Many judgments have altered the constitution over time. That last part has drawn ire. He also said, let us see, let us watch. Let what the courts say come out. We have started something. I know that everyone will go to court. Let us wait for a good day. The constitution will be changing. There are judgments which alter the constitution also. So that's what the Deputy Chief Minister said. As we told you earlier, he said this at the News 18 India Diamond States Summit. Let's go over very quickly to our colleague Payal to understand a little bit more. Payal, ever since the Deputy Chief Minister first made this comment at an event by our sister channel, it's since then that the BJP has latched on to this remark. They've questioned the party, even questioned Rahul Gandhi on his claims. They're essentially saying that, on one side you say save the constitution and then you make statements like this. Just walk us through, Payal, what we're seeing right now in Parliament and the BJP's larger plan to go around this.
Well, the BJP obviously has been questioning that if you're giving 4% reservation to the Muslims, which is against the constitution, on what basis is that being done? And whose reservation are you going to